Hi YouTube, it's your girl, the single empty nester, and today I did a lot of work. I had 3 projects that I worked on because next Sunday, which is Easter Sunday, I am having my housewarming party. Now, if you've been following me or not, just to let you know, I moved into this home on August 10th, and it's about 9 months later, or something like that, 8 months later, I am finally opened up my home to family and friends to come and see how it's going with me. So we're going to celebrate the Easter holiday as well as my mom's birthday, which is the next day, the Monday, April 21st. So she would have been 85 years old. She passed away when she was 80. So it's a time for me and family, and for me to welcome my family over to my home for the first time. I've not had more than one person at a time in my home. How about that? So I'm looking forward to it. But in the process of doing all that, I had some minor repairs that I needed to attend to before, I opened the doors and let them in. And so today's video is all about me taking care of these projects on my own. So come along with me and I'll show you guys how my day went. I hope you enjoy it. Y'all hear that? I'm not sure what that was, but it's not leaking and it's not running. So I guess that's a part of the mechanism in it. I don't know. The other one was an older one. So I'm going to deem this thing fixed. As long as it's not leaking and as long as it's not running, it's fixed in my eyes. All right, my job in here is done. I did it. Now I got to clean up my mess and go to the next project. Let me go get I gotta get my glasses before. I gotta get my goggles. Okay. I had to get my goggles. Let's see what this girl can do. See here, I did it. I drilled a hole. Like my first hole I ever drilled. I did it. See all that stuff down there? It took a little minute, but I got it. Now I got to screw this together, and let's see if it'll work. But I also have to do the one at the top, so it's going to take a few more minutes. You guys, it's after the fact, but after several attempts to align up the screws in this little pin here, I did it. So that's just the first one. This is the one where you kick the little thing there, but I'm getting ready to get my step ladder and get up to the top and show you guys how far up I gotta go. And so now I gotta switch that one out, and I just finished this one. So this is how my Sunday is going. Just finished that one. So I'm going to test this one out. Hopefully it works like it's supposed to if I didn't tear it up while I was installing it. And then I'll get that one up there. And I'll be done with that and on to the next project for the day. Okay, let me show you guys. The reason I'm changing this out is look how unsightly and rusted out that is, right? And so what I'm thinking is, I don't know if I want to remove those brackets because it's a lot of work to drill. I'm going to see if I can use at least this one, reuse this bracket, because I don't want to have to deal with all of that drilling of the holes and everything just to replace that. So I think if I take this off and clean it up a bit, take this ugly stuff off right here, it may look presentable, but knowing me, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to try to reuse the same holes though. I'm going to try. We'll see what happens. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I did it. See? That's the new one. I was able to do it. I'm gonna close this door, and my project is for the door is pretty much over, I think. I'm gonna show y'all. It's fixed. Check it out. See that? I am so freaking good. That's how I want it to close. And let me show y'all something, a trick in case you don't know. See this little pin right here? See this little pin right here, this little turn thingy? This controls the speed of how the door closes. The tighter it is, the slower the door closes. So, let me show you guys. I'm gonna tighten it up. And watch how slow it goes. Let's see. Or actually, no. Well, see, yeah, I'm right. Look, see how it's taking its time? So I was right. So I'm gonna take it back a little bit because I don't like that. I want that sucker to close. We got mosquitoes out here in Louisiana, and the longer the door stays open, the more mosquitoes gonna bite your ass in the bed at night. Yep, that's it. So I just wanted to say, after having a day of projects around the house and in the yard, that you can do, if you're a woman and you're single like me and you're older. I mean, I'm not old, so I'm still moving around, but I'm in my 50s, and I don't need a guy to come and do everything for me because we have YouTube. YouTube teaches you a lot. YouTube is the #1 search engine after Google. If you have an issue with someone around your house and you just don't have the money, or you don't want to be calling random guys or paying the money for someone to come out and do it yourself, right? I had a head start because I worked almost 5 years at Home Depot, so I know a little something. So I fixed my toilet. I replaced the door stops, top and bottom, on my storm door, and now I'm getting ready to hang my outdoor lights. It's gonna be so pretty tonight. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results of what I did today, how they went up. I hope it works because hanging them, you know, I've got some adhesive glue hooks, and we'll see what happens, but I hope to get them up there. But I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that you can do anything. I mean, anything a guy can do. Well, not everything. You know, I can't go up on the roof. I'm not going to do that. You know, like easy stuff, I think women should be able to do. Especially if you own your own house or condo and you don't have anybody to call. You don't have, you know, a brother or a nephew or somebody to come over to help you. Just do it yourself. Okay? All right. So let me get back to work. Guys, so I'm going to do my best to show you the finished results of my hanging lights. Now, this is before dark. I'm finished hanging them. It took me, oh wow, it took me over an hour, I think. I forgot to look at the clock, but I've had to, yeah, it took me over an hour to hook them up, and I think I did a pretty good job. It went around 3/4 of the way, which is probably what they should have. They run all the way back around to the back door, right? And when the sun goes down, I'm going to show you how I can change the colors and do all that different stuff with them. And so I had a great day out here today. I really did. I enjoy doing my own minor little projects and fixing up things that's broken. I'm really starting to get into this single empty nesting period in my life, and I'm loving it. I'm so much better now. I'm not afraid to live here by myself anymore. I making and customizing them to my own liking, to my own character, to who I am. So I'm loving everything about living here alone as a single empty nester. So again, I just wanted to show you guys, I guess, kind of like behind the scenes of what I do, and you know, how I help myself and how I fix things on my own, and just bring you in to my a day in the life of doing things that need to be done, projects that need to be taken care of in my home. So I'm not finished yet. I still have to arrange everything and get everything pretty for next Sunday, which is Easter. As I said before, I'm having a housewarming party, and I'm looking forward to it. So I'll show you guys the lights. I hope you enjoyed the light show, and I will see you all on my next video.